Hello, my name is Eva Taub, and today I am going to introduce you to my dark and black skincare course. That obviously you are here because you are interested to know what the course has and what benefits of why you should get this unique dark and black skincare course. So let me just first of all start by introducing myself to those of you who don't know me. My name is Eva Taub. I practice and treat human skin for well over 40 years. I traveled all over the world, and I have tremendous amount of experience in treating dark and black skin. Over 40 years. I treated black skin before I came to the United States, and the amount of knowledge that I have and the tens of thousands of people that I treated in my lifetime gives me the upper hand and actually makes me the number one dark and black skin expert in the United States. And so over the years, so many estheticians, beauticians, skincare specialists, cosmetologists, nurses, nurse practitioners, even physicians asked me why I don't teach, why I don't educate people, why I don't give people the information. Because in my clinic, so in Miami Beach in Bay Harbor, which is there for 40 years, and my second clinic in Georgia, in Atlanta area, I treat patients, and amongst patients, I treat physicians, I treat doctors. Doctors are exactly the same human beings as anybody else. Doctors have unwanted hair, doctors have ingrown hairs, doctors have skin problems, and they need somebody to treat them. And so over the years, I had a lot of people asking me, why am I not teaching? And I never had a good answer, except that really teaching is not my cup of tea. And then eventually, 2 years ago, my daughter convinced me that I have such amount of knowledge, and there are hundreds and hundreds and thousands of people all over the world that would like to know what I know and would like to help other people, and particularly people with dark skin and people with black skin, that she convinced me that I ought to do a course and I ought to put this together so that so many women out there and men, professionals that would like to enrich their life and enrich the life of the people whom they will help, will be able to do so. And the only way that they will be able to do so is if they purchase and learn from me, purchase my course and learn from me. Why? Because I am the number one dark skincare specialist, not because I say so, but because 40 plus years with hands-on human skin, I learned a lot. And through the process of learning, I made a lot of mistakes, but I learned from my mistakes. And I then was able to figure out what works and what doesn't work. In the process of me treating dark pigmented skin, I came to the conclusion that there is no school, there is no curriculum in the United States that teaches how to treat black skin. And this is actually something that's not only in the cosmetic industry that there is no curriculum, but it's in the medical industry too. It's like there's nobody teaches you in the medical industry how to treat black skin as a dermatologist, as a plastic surgeon. There is no curriculum, the same way there's no curriculum that teaches you about vitamins in medical school. So there is a niche, and it's a huge niche, because if you just take into consideration that there is over 50 million black people in the United States, and then there is probably another 70 million dark skinned people from different ethnic backgrounds, all these people require treatments and skin treatments and skincare products, and majority of these people don't know where to turn and don't know where to go to get treatments and to get products that would be suitable for their skin. This is such a vast array of possibilities for any esthetician, for any professionals, for any nurse, for anybody that wants to treat black skin. It opens such vast possibilities. First, because you're going to be able to help people, because you will have the tools and the knowledge and the products in your hands, so that you will be able to do the best job that you possibly can, because I will give you the tools. Secondly, you will also stand out from the majority of people and from majority of professionals who don't know what I know, who did not learn from me. And so you will stand out, and you will be the unique person, and you will be the person that when the word gets out, black skin and dark skin and ethnic skin people, which is over 120 million, will try to come and seek you help. And the potential for success, and the potential for growing business, the potential financial potential is humongous, because nobody does it, because nobody knows how to. And as I said, through trial and error, and through experience of treating black African skin, because I lived overseas and I lived in Africa, I have tremendous amount of experience and knowledge. So this is why this course is the one course in the world that you want to buy and that you want to learn from, because I put everything that's in my head, everything that I learned, everything that I know to do and not to do, I put it in the course. And it is totally invaluable when you analyze that there is somebody who can guide you. Ladies and gentlemen, just understand, there was nobody to guide me. I guided myself. I made mistakes. And you will be actually spared from making these mistakes, because you will be having the tools in front of you that will allow you to treat human skin and to treat black skin without destroying the pigment of the skin, or without irritating the skin. And this is something that people don't know. This is something that people don't know, and this is something that you only can obtain from me. Now, what is going to be in the course? So the course will first of all show you how to properly treat dark, ethnic, or black skin. And just so you understand, there's a huge difference between black skin and white skin. And a rule of thumb, what you can do on white skin, you cannot do on black skin. But vice versa, yes. What you can do on black skin, you can do on white skin. So just remember, what you do on white skin, you cannot do on black skin. I will teach you proper skincare. I will teach you therapies that are suitable, for instance, light therapies, that are suitable for skin and that are not suitable for black skin. Not all spectrum of light is suitable for black skin. So these are things that you are going to be learning in my course. Oxygen therapy. Oxygen therapy is a alternative therapy, but it's an absolutely amazing therapy. When you combine oxygen therapy, particularly for people that have discoloration and black people that have discoloration, I teach you what in the oxygen therapy specifically, and how to apply particular oxygen therapy. And I'm not only talking about oxygen tank, I'm talking about therapies and what's involved in it, and how you can make with oxygen therapy and oxygen products, how you can improve the color, the discoloration, the texture of dark pigmented skin. I will teach you, for instance, how and why you should use only crystal microdermabrasion. I will teach you. I'll teach you the differences, but I'll teach you why. And I'll explain you why. These are things that people don't know. I will teach you, for instance, the course will teach you about microneedling. There are many different ways of microneedling. What can be done and what cannot be done on dark or black skin, and what results you can expect. So these are things that you will learn in the course. The course has a lot of categories. For instance, it will show you and it will teach you what products you can and what products you cannot use on dark skin. And there is a lot of products that cannot be used on dark skin. And I teach you that, I give you that information. What treatments, physical treatments and equipment that you cannot use on dark skin because you will destroy the pigment of the skin, or you will stimulate more melanin into the skin. Or what acids you can and you cannot use on black skin and on dark skin. And what are the results and what are the differences? These are things that I give you tools in your hands. And once you have all these tools in your hands, you will be an expert. You will be an expert like myself. Or for instance, you have something that nobody talks about, but the power of clay, the different clays. All over the world, they make different clays. And why clays and what particular clays are really good for dark skin, for oily skin, for white skin, and there's a huge differences. So this is what you will get. What kind of peelings are good to use on skin, and what kind of peelings are good to use on dark skin and on black skin. And then of course you will learn laser hair removal. What laser is suitable for dark pigmented skin? What are the differences between the lasers? What are the differences even in licensing, which is like a big array of opportunities in the United States, and one state differentiates itself from another. And I assume this happens overseas too. But all this information that I'm giving you, and I'm just giving you some outlines of some chapters that are in the course. But all this information that I'm giving you will give you tools, hands in, how to treat ingrown hairs. What is the difference between hairs that are growing for women that have HS or for men that have HS? Or what is the difference between ingrown hairs? What is the difference between women that suffer from endometriosis or PCOS? How does that affect the skin? How does that affect the hair growth? So these are all subjects that you learn in my course. And this is something that I think when you put it all together, it is invaluable, because as I said, there was nobody ever out there, and there is nobody ever out there that gives you this information that I am providing you, that you get in the course. I'm also teaching you, like if you are an esthetician, if you are a professional, and you want to go into the business, you buy my course. So I'm teaching you, if you start a business, how you can start a business and you don't have to spend a fortune. And I'm giving you links to equipment that you can buy that's not expensive, and you can start. If you have the love of the profession, if you have the love, if you have the love of the profession and you really want to excel and you really want to help human beings, and you want to be different and you want to be better than anybody else that is around you, then you want this course. Whether you're in Indonesia, whether you are in Jeddah, whether you are in London, whether you are in South Africa, or you are in Kenya, or you are in Mumbai, you want to get this course and you want to get a certificate, and that's an American certificate, and that says a lot. If you learn the course, you buy the course, and you pass the test of the course, you will get an authentic certificate from the United States that will differentiate you from everybody else around you. And if you have a love for the profession as I do, then you will excel. Then you will become the number one, then you will become the best, and everybody will want to come to you because you have the tools in your hands. And the last thing that I tell you that you have, that is invaluable, that whatever you pay, you cannot pay me enough money to give you what I'm going to give you at the end. So anybody that purchases this course will have the ability, after you purchase the course, for several months, to meet with me live once a month We are going to create a group and we will meet once a month. And you will be able to put together all your questions that you have, everything that you did or didn't do, or you want to make sure that you're doing it right. You will be able to put all your questions together, submit the questions to me, and then we will discuss them live. And you will learn, in addition to learning from my course, but you will learn in addition because I will teach you, I will explain you how and why you should do, you shouldn't do something. And this is invaluable because for me to give you additional information, and there are people who come and learn from me, people pay me $10,000 for 48 hours and they come and they learn one-on-one. You're getting it for free. You buy the course, you're getting this from me for free. So this is the outline of the course. This course will bring you a different life, will change your life for the better, because you are going to change the life of other people for the better, because you are going to be unique, because you are going to be special, because you are going to be different, because it is you who will excel and stand out from everybody else, because you will have a certificate from my academy that you graduated, that you passed the test of this course, and that will make you the upper person there, and that will make you the person that everybody will want to come to see because you graduated from my academy. And ladies and gentlemen, one thing you have to know: once you graduate, once you get your certificate, you can start running, you can start operating your business. You have to go out there, and you can always go back to your notes. The course is yours, and you can go back, and if you are not sure, you go back to the notes, to the specific subject, because they are all organized, and you are not sure, should I do this slide or should I do this slide? Nothing better you have than having a course available so that you can go and look it up quickly and see if I'm doing this way or this way, if you are not sure. So these are invaluable tools, but the tools are there to help you to become the best in your field and to change human lives, human beings' lives for the better, and changing and improving the skin of dark, ethnic, and black colored skin for the better, and having the tools in your hands. So I hope that this information is very, very suitable for you and will help you. And if you have any more questions, you can always send me an email at medspa33154@gmail.com. That's medspa33154@gmail.com. And if you want to purchase the course, I'm putting the link to the course below here. So you just click on the link, you purchase the course, you study the course, you can take as much time as you want. And once you finish the course, once you pass the test, once you graduate, you will be issued a certificate, and you will get onto the list of people and of estheticians that are able to talk to me once a month live and get information, education, and advice. Basically, it's a hands-on. I'm guiding you, I'm taking you. So I hope that I am of service to you, that this course will change your life, and you will change hundreds and thousands of other people's life for the better. Thank you. Bye-bye, Eva.